He had a bunch more. There's a bunch down the road that he was carrying like this. And then he swung at me with that one. Okay. So that's when I tackled him.
Can I grab my phone at least?
Yeah, I'll get it, man.
And get a hold of my mom?
I'll get it, man.
Am I being put under arrest?
Right now, you're just being detained.
I didn't do anything. He fucking stuck his... He's excessive use of force. He's fucking instinct.
Go ahead and get in.
Can I please stand up just to catch my breath?
Okay, go ahead and sit down, man. Okay, figure out what's going on.
This dude's lucky that I fucking didn't fucking want to fight back. I didn't hit him. I tried my best to not fight back and everything, and all he did is just harass me. I picked up a thing of plant food from the fucking cemetery, and he started harassing me that I'm stealing from the cemetery. And like, that's social profiling right off the back. That's fucked up. Okay. And I didn't do nothing wrong.
What's your name, man?
My name's Curtis.
Curtis Salazar?
Yes, I've been dealing with some issues with somebody that I live with, and I took a second this morning to walk away so that it didn't escalate. And like, whenever I went to go visit my dead relatives at the cemetery, this asshole started harassing me and fucking telling me that I'm a crackhead, that I'm a thief, that I'm stealing from the fucking cemetery.
Okay.
And that's all. That's harassment. Like, fuck. Like, I was just trying to visit my dead grandpa. I'm having a hard time, and this fucking pussy's fucking gonna fucking, like, he's lucky that I don't fight back. Like, I'm trying my bestest to stay out of trouble, sir. Like, I don't even believe that he's a cop. He's lucky that I didn't fight back. Like, I just simply tried to resist. He's fucking trying to he's a fucking punk ass bitch make up.
Okay,
He's a cop.
Go ahead and sit in there, man. Go ahead and sit in. Put your feet in.
That wasn't cool.
Put your feet in.
That wasn't cool.
Stay tight, man. So what happened?
I was just going through the cemetery, and I was on my bike and going to talk to Dodo, and he had a bunch of rocks. And I said, "What are you doing?" He says, "I'm here to pray for my dead relatives." With all those rocks. And then he started to fucking throw them. I said, "You need to get the fuck out of here." So I chased him out of the cemetery, and then his drugs fell out. Then he started arguing with me. And then right here, he fucking swung at me with that rock, and that's when I tackled him. He had a bunch more. There's a bunch down the road that he was carrying like this. And then he swung at me with that one. Okay. So that's when I tackled him. It's like, man. But yeah, about kind of hot or something. That's why when he started to fall out of his pocket there, I said, alright, then I'll
Not really, just we deal with it. He likes burning scrap, like metal, to get metal.
Who is he?
Curtis Salazar?
You get beef?
He more... Yeah, he uses well, he was on a four-wheeler before. I'm sure he probably sold it or something, but he likes to get like scrap junk, and he'll burn it into bare metal, and then he'll cash that in. He lives over on the 800 block of Smith, that dead end.
By the river rock? No, by that
right here.
I appreciate you guys stopping.
And you said you saw something?
We just drove up on that.
Alright, man. So here's what's gonna happen, alright? Now, I'm gonna charge you with disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct?
Yep.
Can I?
That's your only charge, man. Okay?
Can I state something?
Right now you're under arrest.
I'm under arrest? How fast can I see a lawyer or a judge? Because like, I was just walking through the park, and I wasn't, if you ask those other dudes around there, I was just trying to walk away from this guy the whole time. Like the whole time, I did not throw a rock at him. Like there was a rock right there in my hand.
I'm not charging you with throwing your rock. Or whatever, okay? It's just disorderly conduct, man.
What's disorderly conduct?
Okay, you'll get all of that in the paperwork. Just hang tight, alright?
Is there any way that we could go without me getting
not right now, man.
booked?
Not right now.
So I'm gonna go to jail?
Hang tight, man. Hang tight.
I hope that you guys can at least take into consideration, like, I mean, you guys showed up and I wasn't resisting. You guys, whenever he was on top of me, yes, I was resisting, but I wasn't resisting harshly. I didn't swing. All I did was
affirmative.
try and hold
1015 by 1. Starting mileage 44089. Being route to my 81.
That dude was in the wrong. He followed me and harassed me, sir. Like, I'm nowhere even near the cemetery anymore. From walking distance, that's a long walk from the cemetery. And he followed me the whole way. He harassed me. Like, how are you guys gonna say that I'm fucking a citizen of this country and fucking like, you guys just do me like that? Like, I wasn't doing anything wrong. Disorderly conduct. I was acting nothing disorderly. He was instigating the whole thing. I tried to walk away, and he started coming on with his bike, sir. And I don't know what else. Like, didn't you guys get it on camera from way back here? Like, whenever you left the PD or were coming up that way, you couldn't see us in the road. I did nothing to him. He was following me, harassing me, screaming the whole way, calling me a crackhead. That dude did.
Staff origin, radio check.
So I'm gonna get booked, thrown in. Is there any way I could avoid that? I just got stuff at home that I gotta take care of before I can.
Radio 274. Staff forward, good. 214 was calling. Can you wait for him, please? Radio emergency backup.
You know how hard it was to not swing on that dude? I did everything that I could, and he didn't have no marks on him, sir. Like, he looked like...
I'll just have him sit in here. I'll fill out non-traffic. Alright, man. Listen. Shut up.
Yes,
all right.
I will.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll take you inside. I'm gonna do a non-traffic citation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you're not gonna go to jail, but you have to come back to court.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because if you don't come back to court, the warrant's gonna be for your arrest, and then you will go to jail.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just gonna have you sit in the holding cell, man.
There's no way we could bypass that at all,
Come on.
please. Okay. That dude's lucky that I didn't try and fight back. That's all I know is, like, legitimately, I tried to be as cool and as I could, and he had no right to be fucking following me. If he works for the graveyard, he should have stayed at the graveyard.
Okay. Go ahead all the way down. Last door.
I did nothing to fucking... I mean, I picked up a small package of plant gear, sir. And, like, I didn't fight back or nothing. Like, I'm telling you, I just tried to avoid the situation and make it as cool as possible.
Just hang tight, man. All right. Give me about 10, 15 minutes.